Welcome back to another video. I am super excited because we are finally going to be installing an exhaust on this motorcycle. So I had the exhaust ever since I picked up the bike. Well, obviously first I bought the motorcycle, then I bought the exhaust, then the motorcycle was in storage, then I had to wait for the good weather, and now that we're here, it is time. Obviously it's already been a few months that I've had the exhaust, so could not wait any longer and decided to do it today. We got to get this thing from sounding like a Dyson vacuum cleaner. It doesn't sound bad, but it does sound like a vacuum cleaner, but we got to get this thing sounding like a beast. So I ended up going with the Akrapovic, one of those, full titanium exhaust. I'm kind of hoping it sounds awesome, so we will know later on today. Shouldn't be too bad of an install, so I'm actually headed to my parents right now, and we're also using our little tank bag for the first time. This I mounted it off camera, but let's enjoy this little back road ride to my parents' house to install the exhaust on this wonderful motorcycle. Oh, also this thing is in standard mode, and let me tell you, she moves. She loves standard mode. So I did have it in B mode for a really long time since I picked it up, and finally they put in standard mode. And now when you not step on the gas, but when you hit the throttle, you definitely notice a little bit more of a little something something. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys enjoy the view, and when we get to my parents' house, we're gonna start working on this bad girl. Oh, this truck. Alright guys, it is super bright and we have arrived. Here is the bike. It was a nice little ride. Actually more traffic out there than I thought, so I did not film too much. But anyway, I want to do a quick startup of the stock exhaust. So here we go. Alright, not that the camera did the sound any justice, but here we are. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Akrapovic. Yeah, this thing's a beast. So I did already open it, but let's do another opening and check out this beautiful piece of exhaust. Woo. Woo. She pops a little bit. But anyway, we gotta let this thing cool down. Look at it. It's beautiful. Let this thing cool down. We're gonna open up the box. So let's open up this freaking work of art. We have the muffler. Let's open this up. We want to be careful here because we do not want to cut into the muffler. Oh, sheesh. This thing is gorgeous. Look at this thing. It's a beaut. So this is my first time taking it out of the box. Oh, this thing is nice. This piece, yep, that's coming out. You guessed it. Oh, this is beautiful. Not 100% sure on the sticker, but anyway, look at this thing. Oh my goodness, this is gonna look sick right there. But looks like all we are doing when we remove the stock system is we got to remove that bolt there, and then these 6 bolts here, and the whole thing should come right out. Oh, and also the O2 sensor. So for the O2 sensor, you can either use a 22mm wrench, or if you guys have an O2 sensor remover, just place it on there, crack it loose, and that is it. Oh, and also you guys will need a 12mm for all the bolts. So what I'm actually going to do first is, so like I said, these 6 bolts here, if you guys can see that, I'm going to crack them all loose. Aha! So there seems to be another bolt on this side here. Alright guys, don't do like me and forget to loosen the O2 sensor after taking out almost all the bolts. And just like that, this thing is out. I do like how it's black, but that is a lot better than that. And it's also a lot lighter. That thing weighs a ton. Let's throw the new one on. I gotta figure out, I never did an exhaust on a bike before, so I gotta figure out these little copper washers, I believe. So obviously this thing is brand new, so these should still be okay to be used. Let me tell you guys, this thing is super light compared to the old unit. Crap, the little washer keeps falling off, and now I have lost it. Quick intermission. Found it. So you get this little paste little tube, and what I'm actually gonna do is, I believe I can apply some on my finger. Yep. Whoa. What we're actually gonna do is put around here so that'll make a nice seal with the headers right there. So we're actually just gonna use a thin amount around the whole area. Guys, that should be good. And now I'll be right back because I gotta change my gloves. I don't want to get this all over my beautiful muffler. Alright guys, I'm gonna mess with this for a little bit, but I think that this is too tight, so it's not letting me put that pipe inside that one. So I'm gonna loosen this a little bit, try to slide that on, and then we'll get back to it. Alright guys, so yep, there was just a little bit of loosening these up a little bit, lining this up, throwing this on, and it popped right on. Now we're gonna throw these on, and I think these might be kind of a pain, but pretty much they're little hooks. If you take a closer look, they will go here and here and hold that together. We'll try to put it with the name hanging forward. Let's see if we can get this with this little tool here. Sweet. What? Look at this thing. This thing is looking nice. So everything is on. We just have to tighten up the bolts. And what's nice about the instructions is that it tells you what to torque the bolts to. So 16 foot-pounds. Mine starts at 20, so we will do 20. That should be no big deal. So we'll do the 6 here. We'll do the one there and on the other side, and we'll also bolt the O2 sensor, which I believe that is also 16 foot-pounds. And if we go here, actually 29 foot-pounds. Alright guys, we are finally done. I am a sweaty mess. It is really hot here. Again, this was really easy, but you know, just moving everything around so everything can fit. But we got the whole exhaust system in there. It looks like a totally different bike. Again, the DB killer is in. Most likely I will be removing that and running it without it. But I want to get a first startup with the DB killer on. Also, we have 477 on the clock. All right, here we go. Yeah, this thing is a little bit deeper. I can already tell it's a little bit deeper than it was before, and I like it. Let it warm up a little bit, and then we will do a few reps. Yeah, this thing looks awesome. Alright guys, so DB killer is out. Let's see how this thing sounds now. See if it shoots flames. Also, got this kid Chris here with his badass MT-07, right? Yeah. Damn, this thing's sick. And this thing sounds sick because it's also got the Akrapovic.
Let's crank it up. Let's crank it up.
Yeah, start this thing up first. Very nice, very nice. Now let's see if we get the same from this bad girl right here. Alright, let's do it.
You could. No.
Damn, son. Jeez. That is mean.
Wait, that sounds sick.
That is sick.
Hey, that is sick.
I like it. Put it outside and then take it for a quick rip because this thing sounds sick. See how this beast of a bike sounds. Whoa! Easy there, killer. Damn, that thing sounds good. Oh yeah.
Dude, that sounds so sick.
Damn. Woo. This thing is sick. Woo! The pops. Yeah, this thing pops, son.
Hey, just think.
Damn! You hear that? Shit. Yeah, let's go that way. Woo! This thing sounds nice. That one sounds good too. Woo! Oh shit. It is a little droney, but actually it is a good amount droney. But yeah, this thing sounds sick and the pops are dope. Oh shit. guys, so I am almost home. I'm maybe like 15 minutes out. Yeah, and I'm definitely gonna have to mess with that DB killer because this thing is way too drony. I just hear that like throughout my ears, and obviously it's gonna get old. I mean, it sounds sick. And those pops, whoa! Damn, dude, shot a flame. We got a flame. Damn! Gotten home, and yeah, this thing shot a decent fireball back there. Woo! Oh, Jesus! Yeah, the neighbors gonna be pissed. Nah, they ain't gonna be pissed. They're cool. The neighbors cool. This thing sounds insane though. But yeah, way too drony. Gotta fix that. I'm actually gonna go grab the wife and show her the fireball. Alright guys, so here is the exhaust in all its glory. Look at it. It's a beaut. And I got the wife out here because she has not heard it yet.
Yeah, you made me come see everything.
She doesn't want to get filmed, but we're gonna capture her voice as the what's it called?
Look at your
reaction.
little pouch.
Heck yeah. Then this thing was a trooper. But anyway, let's get to it. Are you ready, honey?
I'm ready. Oh, the poor dogs.
Did you see that? Which my hair is jagged, but did you see that fireball? Oh, my ear! This thing shoots flames. Look at that. That's from flames. That's from flames. This thing shoots flames. All right, guys. With that being said, that's the end of the video. We'll be back. My ears are ringing. We'll be back another time. I'll catch you guys on the next one. So keep on driving. Oh, and riding, by the way, now. It's summertime.